Hey guys, I am Arvind from Mr. Tech. In this video, I am going to explain about how to earn money in online without any investment. Before that, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified. I will tell many more tips like to earn money in online. Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, in this video, I am going to focus on a topic blogging. Blogging is the best way to earn money on online. We can use blogging to earn money online with our skills. There is a both way, paid and free way to for blogging. In this video, I will show you the free way, how to create a free blog to earn money. In this video, I showed Blogger website to create a free blog. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, let's see how to create a blog totally for free. For that, open Blogger website. Blogger, if you type Blogger, open the first result. Here there is a button to create a new blog. Before that, you need to sign in with your Google account. Sign in with your account first. Okay, I completed the signing. First, here we need to choose a title for our blog. I am going to give the TechSmith. TechSmith and press next. Here we want to give your blog address. Here we want to give our blog address. Just give like it will check this name is available or not. Now this name is not available, so add some numbers. Okay, this name is available for here and it shows like bloggerspot.com. Your website name is like techsmith123.bloggerspot.com because you don't own this domain. You are getting this domain for free, so the bloggerspot name will come. If you purchase your domain, we can get name like techsmith.com. Okay, let's press next. Here we need to give our display name for blog. Let's give TechSmith and click finish. It's processing now. Okay, now we successfully created our free blog. Okay, this is not we want. Okay, here this is our blog name. Here we have more options like let's confirm first. Here there is option to create a post. I'm going to click this. Here we can create our post and upload into our blog. I am giving the post title. I am making this just for your reference. You will make this in professional way. Okay. Okay. Here I type some text. This blog contains all about tech. I am just for showing you how to upload a post. Okay. Let's change it bold and italic. And here we can change our text color and text color, and we can change our text font also, medium, large, and here we have some more fonts. We can change the fonts here. Okay, now click on publish and give confirm. Now close this opening notification tabs. We don't need that. Here we successfully uploaded our first post. If you want to see this, here we have an option to view blog. Click this, it will get into your blog. This is our blog. Here we have the content that we typed on our post, our blog, our post heading and date when we posted this blog, and our blog name. And here this is our blog address. This blogspot will appear in all URL of your blog because this is free domain. If you purchase domain, you never get this blogspot. You will get like just your domain and your name. Okay, let's see about another thing. Here we can see our statistics of our blogs, how many viewers and how many posters we have posted, and how many followers we have, and how many comments we have. So we can see it from here. Here we have comments. Here we can access and see our all comments that coming from our blog. Here we have earnings. This is the main part of this blog because from beginning you can't get any earning because you need to upload a quality content. At least minimum you need to upload 10 to 20 posters in your blog. Make the posters are quality in content, and your Google AdSense will automatically place ads on your blog and you can get earnings. Okay, let's see pages. Here we add the pages on here, and we have layout. Here we have our blog layout. We can add and remove layouts from here on your blog. Here we have themes. Here they defaultly give many themes. Now we have this default theme. Let's change our blog theme. Okay, I am selecting this theme. You can see here give preview. You can see here a overview of this theme. Okay, let's click apply. It will apply it to your blog. Go to your blog and refresh your blog. It will change the theme. Here we have some different themes. Here we have settings. We can change anything from here. Okay, this is the overview of how to create a free blog. Okay guys, hope this video will give you an overall idea about blogging. Create a blog for you and blog in your free time. It will useful to earn some money on online. It will like a additional income for you. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, it's signing off Arvind from Mr. Arvind Tech.